Today we will see about the four Nifty 50 stocks results which have been announced last week. Here I just highlighted what are all the stocks which we got results for last week. HDFC Bank, Infosys, Tata Consultancy Services, and Wipro. I had mentioned the weightage as well from the Nifty 50, and these are the results we will see in detail. Okay, let's go with HDFC Bank first. So if you see the HDFC Bank, the net profit is at 31,833 crores, and for March 2020 it was at 27,253, which by considering this, it's an increase of almost 16.8%. You can see the graph for past 10 years how the HDFC Bank have performed. So we can clearly evident that it has been increasing continuously, and this 16.8 percentage is also good number. It's not that bad, and concerning things are like uh, some interest has been reduced by minus 4.7. Maybe that is a minor concern, but other than that everything looks smooth, and it's all overall good for on year basis. And if you see quarter on quarter basis, so this is March. In this March they had posted result for 8,433 crores. Last year it was around 8,000, sorry, last quarter it was around 8,769 crores, which is a minus 3.8 from the last quarter when compared. It's not good, but if you see year on year basis, I mean the same year last March, if you take, um it was around 7,280. It jumped to 8,433, which is also 15.8 percentage. It's a good number. You can see slowly. If you see last 10 quarters, you can see the graph. So initially it was around 5,000, 6,000 crores, and then 7,000 crores. It had entered into 8,000. Little bit choppy ride, but it's increasing is what I would say. And HDFC Bank didn't announce any dividend as of now. This is the status of HDFC Bank. This is a screener website where you can find all the information in clear manner. I like this site very much. So people, if you want to analyze any stocks, you can refer this screener website. And if you see the high is the price is like 1,650 is highest, and current price is almost 1,429. You can see the graph. This is the highest, and it's falling. And maybe post this result Monday, how the stock will react, we will see. Return on equity, if you take for past 10 years, average 18% return has been provided by this stock. So if you take 5 years, it is 18% as well. 3 years, it is 17%. Last year, it is 18%. So overall, this is one of the best stocks on market as of now, and it's like FII's holding will be very good in these stocks. If you see here, FII's is like 39.79% in this HDFC Bank stock. And again, we have promoters and DA as well. There are quite a good amount of stock. And recent times, I mean, there were some reduction in DAA. We can see from 21.47 to 20.99, but it is not bad. I would say it's good. So company is performing well, and it's not in bad shape. And also recent announcements are like they're not only going with retail loans, they are also looking for corporate loans also. They're planning to increase is what the news is about. So let's see how this company performs. This is one of the top stock with high weightage in Nifty, which almost 16.8% year on year performance is just a good number actually, for considering the pandemic and all other stuff. So the NPA I didn't talk about because I want to keep it general. So this is a TCS stock result. The March 21 they had given result of 32,430. Last year it is almost same. It's a flat 0.3% has been the profit has been given us. Yeah, if you see the graph, you can see this is also increasing year on year for past 10 years, and the last 2 years it's not that great. This is because I will show you when we see that FIDA data, like the promoters holding has been a little bit increased. They announced that buyback and they bought the shares, so there will not be that may be one of the reason they're not posting good profit on year basis. March the 21, it's 9,246. It's a 6.3% increase from the last December quarter. And year on year, the last March it was 8,049. This March it is 9,246, which is 15% increase. It's a good increase actually. So let's wait and watch how things turn. Okay. And also they had given like 15 rupees dividend per stock. And if we go to, and you can see the graph, it is increasing. It's a good stock as well. And post result there were some fall, and now again it's increasing. Let's see how that stock turns. Uh, Coming back to promoters and holding, as you can see, due to that recent buyback from 72.05, it is increased to 72.19 percentile. FIS 15.62, they're little bit reduced, and past 2 quarters, if you can see, they are reducing. Um, the stake. And DAA has little bit increased, and there are times they were at around 8 percentage. Now they are at 7.83 percentage, and government is 0.06, and public also have been increased. So this is how the current market share. Let's go to Infosys. Infosys is the next company we are going to see. So if you see year on year, this March 21, they had given a net profit of 19,351 crores. When compared to last year, it was almost 16.6% increase. You can see the graph as well; it is increasing clearly. But the past 2 years, there were some issue. I mean, it's not that great, but this year they had given good result, is what we would say. I mean, it is as expected. And we see a quarter on quarter basis, um, it announced 5,076 crore as profit, which is a good increase of almost 4231 is the last one. It's 17.5% increase from last year, but when compared to the last quarter, it was minus 2.3% down. It is not that great, but it's okay. I mean, and also they had given 15 rupees dividend as well for this quarter. So this is the overall performance of Infosys. We will see how it had performed recently in the graph. So the 52-week high here is 1,480, and the current price is like 1,354. So stock is falling post result. That is how market had taken. Maybe recent run up is just been covered right now. Let's see how it performs going down the line. And if we see the okay, promoters risk like 12.95 percentage. This will increase as they announced a buyback. Post this result, they are going to buy back their shares from market. Returns might reduce as we seen in TCS because of the buyback on year basis. But it's good to, I mean, if promoter share is increasing, it means they have the confidence on the business going forward and down the line. It is also good for the company, I would say. And FII is little bit increased, and there are times 33% is hold by 35% is held by FIS, and now it is 32.67, and DA is 23.10. It is also a significant increase, but there are times that 25% almost is held by DA. So it's overall okay. And public still they have a quite good confidence on Infosys, what we see. So I would say 30.92. There are more holdings on compared to past by public, and so this is it. And we will see the Wipro result. Just 10,796 crores as profit, and it's an 11% increase from the last year, March 2020. And you can see the graph. And if you see the quarter on quarter basis, the result is like 2,972 crores, and it is 0.1% increase, almost flat when compared to last quarter. And if you take year on year basis, last March it was around 2,326. This is 2,972. It's okay. I mean, it's not bad, is what I would say. and the quarter on quarter basis, if we see, it is almost kind of flat and not a big increase. Last two quarters they had performed very well. As you know, all the IT companies has been good run up for the past 3 4 quarters, as the business has been moving to work from home, and a lot of the companies don't want the physical infrastructure. They want to go into virtual environment, and all that stuffs have been driving the market very high for the IT companies. So here this company didn't announce any dividend for this quarter. Yeah, so this is how it is. Let's see the graph of this company. If you see, the highest was at 474, and the current price is like 469, 52-week high. This one, and as you can see, the graph is peaking out, and we don't know how the stock will perform. Next week we'll see how things turn up. But it was quite a good result as well. Not to say it's bad. Uh, and if you see here, FII, as it's around 8.46 percentage. If you go back almost 10 percentage, there are times when 10 percentage is well held by FIA. And promoters, it's 74.01, almost same. So you can see, this is one of the IT company where a lot of promoters are sitting in. And public, it's 11.09. This is a good number. A lot of them has been recently, this quarter has been a good quarter for pro. DA had decreased their holdings, and FIS are a little bit increased their holdings. That's all, guys. And I'll put another video what are all the Nifty 50 stocks we will be getting result next week. And so we will try to fill the sheet. So as you can see, the HDFC Bank, which is having a weightage of 10.38% in Nifty, had given good result of 16.8%. So that's all, guys. We'll meet up in the next call. Thank you, guys. Bye.